Get rid of wrinkles at home. There is an oil for wrinkles in 10 minutes. At 50, the wrinkles are gone. Natural collagen that will fight the signs of aging on the skin. Don't forget to follow me so you don't miss new videos. Wash 1 large orange thoroughly in warm water with baking soda. Orange cream smooth wrinkles due to the content of essential oils. They penetrate into the deep layers of the dermis and activate metabolic processes. Improves cell regeneration. Finally grate the orange zest. 1 medium carrot. 6 bay leaves. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 4 tablespoons olive oil. Place a towel on the bottom of the pot. Top up with water, but in such a way that no water gets into the cream during cooking. Bring to a boil and cook over medium heat for 40 minutes. Pass through a sieve. Place in the fridge until cool. Store in the refrigerator after use. An orange mask prevents aging. Oranges contain substances that slow down the drying and wrinkling of the skin. The effect is amazing. The skin becomes very soft. The result is noticeable from the first application. Friends, write in the comments, what do you think of this orange cream? Be sure to test on a small area of skin before use.